Hello friends, once more I am here to share a poetry sitting in the nature with the nature's poetry. So the title itself is Nature. How many times have you gone out and observed what happens in the nature? You can also hear some background noises which are coming from the nature. So the sun shone brightly, illuminating each speck of dust. This is the morning sun which I am talking about today. The sun shone brightly, illuminating every speck of dust, a gentle breeze caressing every being. Birds gliding through the sky, their open wings portraying the freedom of their spirit. Trees, though stationary, swinging their branches and rustling their leaves, announcing their presence. The clouds floating in the sky, ceaselessly trying to hide the sun. And there are unseen, invisible creatures rejoicing the glory of the morning sun. The serenity and calm, unhassled, unbroken, unhindered. Each life contributing in others' growth. Each life surrendering to greater force. Nature nurturing the soul of every being. Gratitude is what we can have for this grace that we receive. So, loads of gratitude to every person around us and to the nature. Let us fill this year with a lot of gratitude. If you like the poetry, please share it, subscribe to the channel, and see you again once more next week. Thank you so much.